A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, it bounces ahead. C is for candle, glowing so bright. D is for duck, splashing with delight. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fish, swimming by the sand. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse, with fast little feet. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jug, with stories it told. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lion, roaring today. M is for monkey, climbing a tree. N is for nurse, helping you and me. O is for owl, wise at night. P is for parrot, feathers so bright. Q is for quail, quiet and small. R is for rainbow, shining for all. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for train, ready to go. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for van that zooms right by. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X is for xylophone, ting, ting, ting. Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Z is for zebra, happy as can be.